Trusting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a key to happiness. Trusting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is having that belief in Allah that Musa alayhi salam had. That while he was standing in front of the Red Sea and Fir'aun and his army were behind him, and everyone around him was telling him, "We're done. You just brought us to our destruction. Inna lamudrakun." What was Musa alayhi salam's response? Kalla, inna ma'iya rabbi sayahdeen. No way. My Lord is with me. He'll guide me through this. When you know Allah, you'll be able to have that unshakable tawakkul in Him, inshallah. Trusting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a key to happiness. Trusting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala